Hi, my name is Ana Otero. I'm a law professor at Thurgood Marshall School of Law in Houston, Texas. If you're watching this video, you're considering attending law school. I hope you give law school serious consideration, for a law degree will open many doors for you. But applying to law school is an endeavor that requires serious attention. So I want to invite you to register for one of CLEO's invaluable pre-law programs, the Road to Law School. The Road to Law School is an intensive one-day workshop where you will learn about the key components of the law school application process so you can become a competitive law school applicant. Between preparing for LSAT, crafting your personal statements, gathering letters of recommendations, or choosing a law school that fits you best, applying to law school can be a challenging process. And it is a process that must be taken seriously if you want to succeed. Attending CLEO's Road to Law School will make this process much easier, give you an opportunity to ask any questions that you may have, and provide you with the tools that you need to be a competitive law school applicant. Legal professionals like me will offer concrete guidance and tips to ensure that your application process is smooth and ultimately successful. Please register for CLEO's Road to Law School. I hope to see you there. Thank you.